Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Trend TV. Mahindra themselves have released the teaser videos of every specific variant of the new XUV 700. In this video, we are going to cover the second level AX3 variant of the XUV 700, including its engine and transmission options and all the features available. All variants of the XUV 700 will be available as either a 5-seater or a 7-seater. For now, Mahindra has revealed prices of only the 5-seater version of the AX3 petrol manual variant, which is available for Rs 13.99 lakh ex-showroom. Pricing for the petrol automatic or the diesel version is not yet available. Talking about engine options, all variants of the XUV 700 will be available with the very same 2-liter turbocharged M-Stallion petrol engine, producing 200 PS of maximum power and 380 Nm of maximum torque. For now, the AX3 petrol variant is available only with a 6-speed manual gearbox, while the pricing for the automatic versions will be revealed soon. The 2.2-liter M-Hawk 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine to be available from this AX3 variant onwards will produce 185 PS of maximum power and 420 Nm of maximum torque through the 6-speed manual gearbox and 450 PS of maximum power through the 6-speed automatic gearbox. Now let's talk about the features to be available on the second level AX3 variant. Apart from the features seen on the base level MX variant, this second level AX3 variant additionally offers the Adrenox driven dual HD display screens for the infotainment system and the instrument cluster. This system also offers more than 60 plus connected car features along with Amazon Alexa compatibility for various functions including media, telephony, navigation and also for operating the power windows. This Adrenox system also offers wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity, while also being mated to 6 speakers and various sound staging modes. While the AX3 variant is not expected to offer automatic climate control, it will still offer electronically foldable ORVMs. On the outside, this AX3 variant will also offer the signature LED DRLs and LED front fog lamps. This variant will also offer roof rails, 17-inch steel wheels with full wheel covers, rear windshield wiper washer with defogger, and a reverse parking camera. That was a quick walkthrough of the specifications and features of the second level AX3 variant of the Mahindra XUV 700. Stay tuned for further updates regarding the Mahindra XUV 700 flagship SUV. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.